So hello guys, welcome to my channel and this is Shabdul and today I am going to show you how to install Office 2021 for free. Open Google Chrome and type Office Customization Tool. Click on the first link, select your architecture, select your Office suites, Microsoft Office Professional Plus. If you want Visio, then select Visio. Select on Language Pack. Under Additional Products, click on Next. Select your language. I am selecting Match Operating System. Click on Next. Click on Next. Uncheck and again click on Next. And again click on Next. Click on Finish and click on Export. Click on Office Open XML formats. Click on OK. Click on I accept the terms in the license agreement and click on Export. Now create a new folder and name it Office 2021. Now type Office Deployment Tool. Click on the first website. Click on Download. And open the download. Check mark this. Click here to access the Microsoft Office license terms. Click on Continue. Select your folder. Click on OK. Then go to Download folder and then card the configuration file and paste it to Office 2021 folder. Now type Office Deployment Tool 2021. Click on the first link. Click on the fourth option. Now open CMD, run as administrator. Then type CD and copy the file location path. Then paste it to the command prompt. Click on OK. Enter. Now copy this command and paste it to the command prompt. Wait for a few minutes and you are ready to go. So today's video, in this way you can install install Microsoft Office 2021. So today's video is up to this. If you like the video, then like, share and subscribe. And don't forget to comment. Thanks for watching.